Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to BMW Programming and Encoding channel on YouTube. Today we're working on Rolls-Royce sedan 2013. Probably comes out as a 2014. All right. Um, DME1 is working and communicating, but DME2 is failed to programming in its studies. So we're gonna see if we can program it with ESYS and see what really happened. If it failed programming in ESYS, we know that perhaps the DME is having a problem inside with probably a transistor open or some kind of a cold solder. You know what I mean? It shows something about Lean Master, Lean Master or Lean Slave or something like that, or Master, Slave Master and Slave. I think when I get that information, it's all about some open circuit inside of the DME, the DME2. We're gonna try to rectify that. Let's see if it failed with ESYS. If it failed with ESYS, it has to be an open circuit on the PCB board inside of DME2 on the Rolls Royce. Well. Here we go. Alright, this one is a Rolls Royce Ghost. This one at F01. Blah blah blah. We gotta go here, put this right here. And then we're gonna click right there. Go to reserve. I come go to reserve from 3. Let us see if we can find out what the DM is for me. Let us see. I'll go here 2. Uh-oh, shit. 3. Boom. And then we open. It's gonna go back here. We gotta close out this session right here. Close out that. We gotta go to vehicle information fridge. Let us see what is it. It's the fault. And it is F01 1307, the ISEP shipment. So we're gonna choose this one here, F01, blah blah blah. So we go like, let us see if we can connect now. 3, 2, 1, boom. Alright, so we go here, VCM. I click vehicle profile, so if we get any errors, we don't get any errors. Alright, we're gonna have to save the vehicle information, and the Rolls Royce here is there's a VIN number. Alright, first of all we use the name of the car, they create the VIN number for this, and then we have it like that. Copy that. We're gonna use that to save the file in ESYS like this. Then we go here, file, and then we click save as. Control V, paste, and then save the file. Alright, we can expand this and look at the VIN is okay. If it matches the car. Yep, it matches what is in the car. So we go to we go here to comfort mode, calculate tell, read FA, read VCM or read ECU. Alright, the VCM is configured. There it goes, it's reading the VCM. Vehicle configuration management is back up in the CAS unit. So, alright, we're gonna save this. That's that. Also, we're gonna now click complete flash and then we'll click calculate measure plan. So, oh shit, wait a minute. Let me look at what ISEP shipment. Let me look at what the target is. 2411 520. The car is updated to this, so let's see what will play out. North America next. 2030. So long. Sure. This is DME2. Even a bunch of issues. It seems to have no coding file. Here's it. Coding file is in that. Oh, it does not have any coding file. That is what is happening here. It does not have any CAD. So maybe we need to, okay, because usually when it was doing the first measuring plan with this study here, maybe the coding file had been deleted and to be rewritten, and it had failed to do it. You know what I'm saying? So therefore now, there goes DME1 there, coding file is showing there that the ID is 721, the CAFD file. See there? In the second DME, none is there. No coding file there. That's the problem here. That's why we don't see any data from it when we read it out. So that's the issue there. There's no coding file. Alright, we are calculating measure plan, so we're gonna calculate the time we wait. We're gonna pause the video for now. Alright, let's finish it. I do not get a chance to even pause the fucking video. Let's see if I can find a Rolls-Royce here for the X. Here's it. Change that, and then we're gonna write an extension here to say a copy of that file. Alright, then we're gonna calculate tile, right? Alright, there's the DME here, it's not programmed. See, this red file is missing, 721, it's missing. Alright, so we're gonna actually write a tile. We're gonna calculate the transaction list, and we're gonna actually say that. Alright, so we have to write all these files to it. This one is on. Let's just look at the rating of the file. This is the blue one is 189, so this red one is up, is higher 219. Alright, so 219 is higher than the ID here of 189, and then the 721 is that, yeah. So alright, let's see if we can write a transaction list and program here. Boy, I could go in coding on it, but I do not know, dude. I could try the coding part. Let me go to coding. Let me see if it will take the coding. Let me see if it will take the coding, dude. We're gonna go into DME, scroll down, and we're gonna put the DME 2. See that? DME number 1 and address 10 without the coding file. See that? And there's none here. So we're gonna detect CFD right here. And we're gonna pull up one of them, so we're gonna look for one that is having an I step from we're gonna choose one. I don't know if I gotta choose the latest one. I could choose this one. And then we get back to here, and then we click code. Oh shit, we get oh fuck. It's gonna fail. We get negative response from, oh wow, what a piece of shit. Things gonna fail, man. It's gonna fail. It's gonna motherfucking fail. It's gonna come back with a red. I just know it. I just feel it. It's not going good. Shit, man. Fuck, man. There it goes. It failed. Shit, man. It's a finishing error. There's it right here. Yeah, red. Yeah. I know. I have to go back and execute the tile. Maybe this file needs to be updated. These one need to be updated. 2 of them. That is why I think it needs to be updated. So 174 6. Don't say 65 blah 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 60. Let's just go back over here and see the ID are the same shit. Yeah, 65F and 60D. These are the ones that will be updated. So I have to go and execute tile. Let me go here. Export modus. Yeah, we have to write the software flash file first. The 2 of them and the coding file can be written. And that's what must be there first. Yeah, the coding file has to be written there. Just install, where is it? Install UX right here. We'll load this one. The sol will be here. And then we have to only, let's check out the software. Yeah, the software unities are there. Let us see if we can start this shit right now. I hopefully, yeah, here's it, software deployed. The software flash file has to be in there first. Let us see if we can go through it. Alright, we make this check, so make sure that the I-step shipment is correct. Alright. Let us see if it will go through with the process. Value of HTTP server. I just hope it really goes through it. I just really hope it does it really well. Boy, preparation for vehicle flash. We got 1, 2, 3. One more gonna be the 4th one that's it. Ended preparation vehicle for flash started, and then preparation for vehicle flash ended. Then it's gonna start to write to it. It's gonna start to write the software flash file to the DME. us see if it goes that way. If it failed, that means the DME is really fucked up inside. The recording file is deleted and that's why it didn't work. Somebody put some shit to it and fuck it up. Alright, prepare a vehicle for a flash finish. So, we're giving a bunch of runtime errors. Shit, man, look at this motherfucker right here. This, bad luck. Deactivate flash mode, you see that? Read data by identifier, flash time, parameter. Jesus Christ, it's gonna fail again. It's gonna fucking fail, dude. I can't fail this shit. So timeout here. Flash timer parameter description, error timeout. Again, the DME keep timing out. Let us look at the ignition is on. Oh, the ignition is off. Maybe the it's off. That's why it failed. If the ignition is really freaking off, maybe E6 can turn on the ignition. I mean, shit. They usually turn on the ignition when it's right recording. It turned out so. Man, it's failing as fuck. It's not writing the file at all. It's failing. It's failing. Service return global negative response. Service DSC return negative response. See that fail as fuck. Condition not correct. The ignition is off. I do not know if the car turned off the ignition. So you see, it's really fucked up. Finish with error. Let's just see if the ignition turned back on here. Let's just see if it turned back on by E6. Let's just see. Oh, there it goes. It turned it back on. Something is wrong with the DME. Something fucked it up. It's not going through. The ignition turned back on by E6. E6 usually turn it off in order to write the software flash file to it. There it goes. It really fails. It's something is really wrong with it. Ah boy, problem.
Yeah.
It failed in E6, you know what I mean?
It failed in E6.
Yeah, it failed in E6, yeah.
So it need a DME.
You probably need a DME, yeah. I just can't get it to it's telling me about negative response error, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Negative response error. Negative response error meaning that there's no communication feedback from it, you know what I mean? The DME does not have an encoding file either. Somebody fuck with it, you know what I mean? Somebody damage it. The coding file is deleted. There's no coding file in it because that's the issue I have here with it, you know. There's no, let me show you here. There's no coding file in it. You see this one here that says red? There's a blue one that should be there, right? And then the blue one will show for this ID and the version of it, right? And then the red one will be the salt calculated to be having a higher number for the update, you know what I mean? Just like you see it here for the software flash file, this one. You see,
right.
You see the corresponding red one show 219?
Right.
The main version is higher than 189, you know?
Correct.
And then the sub version is 110 and then the patch level is 002. It's the same thing for this one here. So there's no coding file for the DME here. There's no actual. Well, we can write one here, but the DME is not responding the right way, you know? So it has to be replaced. Or if you want to try, if you want to connect the laptop and I come to the internet modem, set up the connection now, let me do it over and see if that makes a difference. If it doesn't make a difference and it still fails, we have to replace the DME, okay?
What you mean, the two landline then?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not going to make a difference though if the DME.
You're not listening to me, bro, so try an error, man.
Okay. We can try.
Yeah.
Alright, so you want me to plug up?
Yeah, go ahead and do it, yeah. Sure. Yo, Jerry, hold on. Yeah. Alright, connected. Alright, wait. Woo! Alright, wait until they show up. We're just waiting. We wait. The DME show no communication, show red, not responding. All red file. Red. Journey did it? Wow. Like what? Yeah, oh, the DME. Oh, yeah, okay. DME was not good for you or something wrong, bro. Either wearing or the DME is not fault inside. See, the DME now communicate, you see?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's the problem we have with it. Now no communication, dog. That's why. So the icon now make her get a real solid connection, you see? The other control model show up in a block. That's our program. So them update it so they show all black for them SWEs. So see the DME already now, you see? Alright, I'm going to close out this and I'm going to pull it, I'm going to release it and then I'm going to read over the car with I'm going to read over the car with this fucker right there. I'm going to close it up. But how long it take to read out that fucker? Alright, I'm going to read it back out now with the connection. I'll see if the DME showed up from
This is programmed via FlexRay or CAN.
the DME is on FlexRay. I think it's on FlexRay. You can look on the control unit tree.
No. Meaning, how does it program? By CAN?
Wait a minute. Let me check out something. Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. You communicate that way on pin 6 and pin 40. think pin 6 I
Yeah,
can load.
I know the gateway talks to the scan tool that way, but I didn't know if it got programmed through the gateway via FlexRay.
Okay.
You understand? Because when you go into the ECU ID, it tells you FlexRay.
Okay, you know, the DME communicate via flex rate for the other control module that is on it. You know what I'm saying? Because when you look at the arrangement, they will put it on flex rate for some of their own bullshit reason, you know what I mean? Yeah, so they know what they're doing. They have put on flex rate to communicate with the other control module because of like the chassis management is I think flex rate is a much more faster shit.
It is a lot faster.
Yeah, because because of the alright, they have their own internal clocks, right? And because the baud rates are much higher than they allow it to communicate with the other control model. The IC and the body control are like integrated chassis management, that's to do with deep line of earbuds and so on. And the DME. And then all of that shit have to do with the faster data, bit baud rates of speed, so them come up with flex rate for that shit. You know? Because on the flex rate, you know, them can tolerate more data fault, you know, more fault tolerant. It's a more fault tolerant network than can't one little fault, the bumbo class signal fuck up. And you have to go in for major repairs, and then it's just a problem. You have to either terminate the resistor or the bus wires or the control model altogether is shot from within, you know. So they'll come with flex rate. But it does you know, you can't mix can with you just probably can't mix can with flex rate. They have their own way that they arrange it. It's just that I think Toyota and Honda is better motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? I think German people are stupid. I think they're over engineering the shit just to be difficult and to be, you know what I'm saying, taken serious in the automotive world. I think they're full of shit. You know what I mean? So I really don't believe in their little bullshit about they're all that. They're not all that, but Toyota better, Honda better. All you do, you never hear no fucking problem with those people and their shit, you know what I mean? They always do their shit where you don't have no problems, you know what I mean? Their shit work, their cars don't really, you know what I mean? I never heard about Toyota, Honda, and so on having any flex rate problems on their shit, dog. I never heard about that shit. It's always BMW, either BMW, Mercedes, or these German fucking idiot, man. Over engineering do it, and they might try to be complicated to be taken serious that they're one of the best automakers in the world and all that shit. And then, you know, it's a money-driven design car, meaning that if the people at the local third-party shops like you and others can't fix it, it's have to go to the dealer, and that's where the customers are going to fuck up big money, you know? So it reflects the level of money. That's why they design the shit. Fuck the Germans. They're a bunch of assholes, man. Yeah, they're a bunch of fucking assholes, dude. They screw up, you know what I'm saying? For the love of money. The cars are engineered for the love of money, so that's why they're so difficult to fix. And they want the dealerships to get it where their technicians get all the secret information through training. You know, so that's the secret behind it all. The love of money. And the cars are made for high net worth individuals in Germany. After World War II, remember Germany was destroyed? So they developed a policy of production export led resurrection for German economy, you know. So that's why they come up with all of these different high brand car brands like, you know, Mercedes-Benz was there before, BMW was really a airplane engine maker until they turned to a car maker. So they know that if they make commercial car and they sell it they create mass production, they would like to help build up the German economy, and that's what it was all about after World War II. So Mercedes-Benz jump on it, Porsche, all of them, and that is what it now becomes. It parlayed into what we know of today. This luxury car that gives a nice drive, nice feel, but when it started to give problems, you're in a real fucking bullshit right, you know. The red is the money. Yeah, the red is the money. The money you have to find to pay. $4,000 for a DME. What the fuck is that? DME is just $500 should be for DME, man. Should be just $500 for a DME. Why the fuck a DME on a Rolls Royce should be cost $4,000? That's bullshit. That's why, you see, if I get rich, I'm not buying Lamborghini, I'm not buying no fucking Bugatti Veyron shit, and all those other fucking high brand shit. I rather set up a car company and design my own shit. I make my own sport car. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Huh? Yeah.
Why would have transport more in an SCL and JB?
No, because we go through a programming sequence. And that is how they end up in the transformer can be deleted, man. Simple, it can be deleted. We go through a programming sequence, so that is to be expected, you know. That is to be expected. You understand?
So clear these faults and
Yeah, clear those faults. Yeah, clear those faults, and you'll be okay. It will delete transfer mode as well. Okay. No, look, it says transfer mode is a no. You have to look on the column. It says most of them is no.
yeah, no, there are two of them that says yes.
Alright, no big deal, man. Then just delete it. You're going through a test plan. Alright, no problem. You're going through a test plan, buddy.
Yeah, because we able to delete.
Yeah.
Delete lockout.
Yeah, you're going through a test plan, and you should be okay, dude. So we're going.
I don't think.
No.
I don't think we're not connected.
No, you're not connected, so you can't use it. You're not. Where we were first. We were on ESIS, right? You have to disconnect from ESIS first. You have to release the icon here.
Yeah, we forget my button. We get so we didn't know this.
And then you have to connect back again here, and they're gonna ask you if you're gonna. It's gonna ask you if you're gonna do a vehicle test. You have to tell it no, cause it put the yes to the right, so you can be tricked, you know. Look at it now. See that?
Yeah.
I didn't know you're right-handed, so you're gonna have to click to go to the vehicle test and shit like that. You know what I mean? No. It still doesn't turn on. Oh yeah, turn on the ABL now. There it goes. All right, bro. Let's go here to get rid of transfer. Vehicle management service function. They're going right here. Maintenance and pre-delivery check. Right here. Delete transfer mode. You see that? The vehicle date and time is set in the cluster.
Nope.
Okay, all right. I think it go through a programming plan before it should set it, but it probably didn't, and because of certain things, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, like yo.
So service required.
Huh? What do you say?
What is this?
Oh wait. What is that? So service is required in terms. No, don't worry about that. Delete that. That's bullshit. Don't forget about that. You can still go through it. You know what I mean? Yeah. So you never actually run that service plan before that ABL procedure for delete mode?
Absolutely, but we will never turn down with this because we program and we stopped in the middle of the program. Normally after a programming session, we not set up.
Okay.
Start with the we'll sell them on DME. Okay. That's what it is.
What do you say?
We'll sell them on DME.
Okay, no big deal. Alright, let's see now. Alright, yeah, John, alright, we gotta put up now. Alright, gotta go now, man.
Yeah, it's Thanksgiving, bro. Call it tonight.
Thanksgiving tonight?
Hmm?
Thanksgiving tonight?
Not tonight, tomorrow.
Oh, we're not in them fucker, them, man. Black Friday come the day after that, that's all?
Something like so.
You go Black Friday shopping and all that shit?
No, son. Right. What do you have, son?
What am I saying? Stuff cheap.
I know, remember them talking about. I don't do those things.
How long time I got in place then? How long time I got in below long skirt place? Long freaking time I got in place. Alright, yeah, no problem, buddy. I'm kind of broke still. Alright, no problem. Appreciate it. No big deal. Alright, alright, yeah, yeah, yeah. So, unit. Yeah. Alright, Charlie Cardinal program. This one BDC here. There's a company to be treated here, but somehow so unknown file. I don't understand. Oh, we need a data blood calibration. Oh, the ages is also off, you know. For this necessarily